Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create or use dotted lines in any shape or text in Illustrator. First I am going to take a line, hold shift, draw the line, make the line stroke wide or big enough to for us to work with. Now go to the stroke option. You can select the stroke option here, or you can have the stroke window here. If you don't have the stroke window or you want to use the stroke window here, just go to window, go down to the window and select this option, stroke option. Okay, now select the option or select the stroke, then give it a cap size. It will have the rounded caps. Now give it dash line option here. You can see that the dashes are 20 points or 12 point long. If you can give a gap here, give the gap 30, 40, any gap you like. See, the gaps of the stroke become wide. Now give the dash 0. With the dash 0 point, you can see that these lines became dot. This line becomes dot. You can make it more denser by making the gaps shorter. See, this line became more dense with dots. You can make it wide, give it 20 or 25, give it 25. There are more gaps now, you can easily see them. So I am going to take a rectangle. You can see these are automatically making the rectangle dotted lines. Okay, these options, if the options are selected, then it will automatically generate the dotted lines, or I'm going to put them to this side and work here. If they are not selected, I'm saying again, if the lines are not selected, these will not get dotted lines. Again, when you are selecting this will automatically give the lines the preset options or settings you have made for dotted lines available for this shape or anything you want to give dotted lines. Now I'm going to give text dot lines. Select a text, make it big enough. I'm just going to big. This needs to be a little bigger. I'm going to use shift, then okay, stroke. I'm going to fill the none fill, take the none fill, then the stroke. You can see that the outline, just give dash. There you can't see the lines because the stroke points are very small. I'm going to make the strokes big just so you can see them. You can see that there are some problems for our lines or dots. I missed some part of the settings. See, the rounded cap. In the previous, there was the rounded cap was selected, but as I took the text tool, this became the flat cap. Then I selected the rounded tool or rounded caps, make the strokes lesser size, lessen the white gaps. You can see that these, I'm going to delete the previous ones. This text become dotted text. This text become dotted text. You can easily make dotted lines, text, or dotted shapes using this. This will work only on the outlines or strokes, cause these options are for only strokes. If you want to fill the shapes or outlines or text with dots, I'm meaning this fill, you have to watch my next video on that. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to the channel.